And then it's explained another place in this Chaitanya Charitamrita that Krishna, his beauty excels crores of cupids. He's described in Sanskrit as Navina Madan. Navina Madan means Navina is same as. It's interesting how so many words in Sanskrit are very much like English, because it's the mother of all languages, Indo-European language they say. So Navina means new. Navina Nirada Rupa Manohara Vibhavari Shesha. In the morning they have this Mangalarti song they sing in Vrindavan temple. Navina Nirada Rupa Manohara. Navina Nirada. He's like a new cloud. And his form is Navina Nirada Rupa Manohara. Krishna's form is like a new rain cloud. Navina means new and Nirada means rain cloud. And it's Rupa Mano. That form steals the mind. Manohar. It takes away the mind from anything else. Navina Nirada Rupa Manohara. That song in the morning is very beautiful. Navina Madan, he's a transcendental Cupid. So seeing Krishna's beauty is always new and fresh. So he's thinking, as is mentioned here, how can he see his own beauty? The only way you can see your own beauty is how? Look in the mirror. Exactly. But when you look in the mirror in the darpan, you're seeing pratibimba. You're seeing Saundarya Pratibimba. Pratibimba means reflection. You're seeing a reflection of your Saundarya or Sundari. When you say Sundari, gopis are called Sundari. They're very beautiful. Braj, they say Braj Sundari, right? Braj Sundari, the beautiful girls in Braj Sundari. Sometimes they just call it Gopi Sundari, Braj Sundari. Beautiful, they're so beautiful. But when we see that, we see our beauty in the mirror, we're only seeing a reflection. So what they explained here, that the only way to see, for Krishna, the only way for him to see his beauty is he has to have the heart of Radharani. Because the beauty of Krishna is really seen in the Prema Darpan. And the Prema Darpan is the heart of Radharani. Because we have a phrase, beauty is in the eye of the beholder. We say beauty is in the eye of the beholder, but actually phrase is not correct. Beauty is in the heart of the beholder. Because the man, because his heart is so much enmeshed or entwined with his wife, generally, he thinks his wife is very beautiful. And because in his heart, he has the heart of Prem Darpan, and he has love for her in the heart. So when he sees, oh, she's very beautiful. But other men, more objective viewpoint, they may look and say, oh, she's not beautiful. She's not pretty. No, she's the most beautiful girl. So this is Radharani's, her heart. Her heart is full of prem. This ujjvala prem, this purest kevala prem for Krishna is in her heart. So she sees Krishna, she appreciates and sees Krishna's beauty like no one else can. Like no one else. So only Krishna's beauty is wrote here, that the mirror of pure love. The mirror of pure love is the mirror in which Krishna can see his own form. So Krishna can see himself in the mirror of pure love. So that's why it's told, we say, Lord Chaitanya taught us, Chaito Darpana Marjanam, Bhava Mahadavagnir Nivapanam, Chaito Darpana Marjanam, that when the Chit Darpan, the mirror of the heart, Chit means heart or consciousness, when that becomes cleansed, Marjan, it becomes cleansed by chanting and serving and surrendering to Krishna, serving Krishna and chanting his name and surrendering to him. Then when that chit becomes pure, the mirror of our heart becomes pure. Pure means it becomes full of love, becomes full of prem. And when our heart is full of prem, then we can see Krishna. Premanjana Churita Bhakti Vilochanena. Premanjana Churita Bhakti Vilochanena. So this is, I suppose that's from Brahma Samhita. Right? That's one shloka. Premanjana Churita Bhakti Vilochanena. Santak Sadaiva Hridiyesha Vilokayanti Yam Shama Sundaram Achintya Guna Surupam Govindam Adipurusham Tamaham Bhajami. So Lochan, he's saying Premanjana Lochan. The Lochan means the eye. And when it has Anjan means like ointment. The ointment, the Anjan of Prem. Then you can see Krishna. Premanjana Churita Bhakti Vilochanena. Santak Sadaiva Hridiyesha. Then you can see Krishna in the heart. Santak Sadaiva Hridiya. So in the heart, when the heart is full of prema, then in that mirror of the heart, that Chaitva Darpan, Chit Darpan, in the mirror of the heart, which is full of prema, Krishna can see himself there, and we can see ourselves, our soul, and we can see Krishna. So that is Radharani's heart, is that prema Darpan. So Krishna wants